This is what I was talking about earlier, is that they have cafes that looks like this. Look at Sophia's order.
Oh my god!
So big. I think that's the one that costs. Yeah. Look at my order. So small. It's a tea. I ordered herb mint tea, pineapple. Is it good? And then watermelon.
Is it good? Super yummy.
Is it good? Is it good?
I got the cookie because I wanted the chocolate.
What's your cookie?
Good.
How's the pizza?
Good.
Alright.
I want some.
Oh, that looks good.
Wow, that looks.
Hey, don't. Wow. Yeah, let's take a picture in front of that. Like a gate. Here at the Hanbok Palace. We're just walking around right now. And this is really close to our hotel. We took the subway here and got lost along the way. We took the bus, we took the subway in Korea. Yeah, we got on the wrong subway going the opposite direction, but finally caught on before we got too far away. Yeah. We made it here, and we're gonna be coming back here tomorrow because the place where we are gonna be renting our Hanbok is just close by. There's so many people doing like TikTok and vlogging here, so it's nice.
More of a tourist destination.
Yeah, watch out, okay? My car. So here is the time. The museum is also closed when we arrive. We got too late, but it's okay. We can do all this tomorrow. At least now we know where to go and where this location is at. And this is okay. Yeah. All right. Very nice here. There's a palace over there. As far as the weather is so nice, it's not too cold, it's not too hot. The sun is not even that painful, right? It's just like nice. It's like just kissing you. So now we're just gonna try to. Sammy, don't run. Come here. Flower. Thank you. Hey, closer.
I want one too.
Okay. Yeah. If you ask for a flower.
I want to have a puppy. I want to have a dog though. But I guess I'll just ask for flower.
Okay. Huh? What? Oh, is it ice cream? I'm not sure.
일로와 좀 받아가라. 일로와 좀 받아가. 그냥 내주니까 와. 조금만 기다려. 너는 카메라에 놓을 테니까 좀 기다려. 일로 와. 너도 풍선 받아가. 카드 해줄 테니까 줄 서.
I got my own stuff. You should put it in. 근데 이거 공짜
뭐? 아, 들어갔다 와.
만원 줘야 돼.
어?
만원 줘야 돼.
10,000원 줘야 돼?
아니야. 풍선, 이거 풍선값 내는 게 아니라 풍선은 무료로 해주는 거고 우크라이나 전쟁 난데 도와주겠다 따르면 넣고 없으면 그냥 풍선 막 받아가 할아버지가 풍선을 선물해 주는 거야.
와, 멋있다.
너는 칼?
Alright, then ask him.
Star.
I think you can. They're gonna make it for you. What shape do you want, Sammy?
Square.
They have umbrella, heart shape.
easy.
You want circle? Heart shape?
Maybe
Can-
one.
Huh?
Maybe the upper are hard.
Those are hard,
You want to
yeah.
do the
Hard to
heart?
trace.
It's hard.
Heart,
Okay, she wants to
okay.
do the heart. I'll do the heart too.
Alright. Two heart shapes.
Actually, I want to do star.
Oh, okay. One heart, one star.
선물을 3개 준다고 통했겠어.
I think I might do the triangle.
Well, you have to tell him, not me. You have to tell him.
Do it. It's okay, I'll just do this heart.
안녕하세요. 꼭 옆에 앉으시면 돼요.
Oh, it's shorter.
오케이, 인정.
Whoa.
웨이, 터치.
It's hot. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's hot. There's melted sugar out there.
친구가 지금 성공했어.
I think I don't know what happens if you break it. Because it's Squid Game, if you break it, something bad happens. Like you get eliminated.
I'm not sure.
I'm not supposed to touch it, Mom. You gotta put it there, okay? I'm not going to wide anymore. I'm putting mine there too. But I'm not going to put it in wow. You cannot touch it yet. Okay, just like you.
Don't touch it yet.
Mommy, I don't want this.
There you go.
Don't touch it.
You have to cut it using the toothpick. Cut it around using a toothpick, my love. Here.
웨이.
Yeah.
Still
Here.
hot, Mom.
Yeah, but don't touch it. Just make sure you cut it carefully, okay?
Just careful.
Look here. Yes. Ate, look over here. See, look at that.
Look at that. The most hard one in the game is,
Yeah.
is the umbrella. That's impossible. That's impossible.
Do it now, love. Do it.
Not yet. I have to wait until it cools down very good.
It's gonna be so hard if you let it cool down. Maybe daddy's looking for us already.
Mommy, if we make it, then we get a prize, right?
I'm not sure. There you go. Cut, 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 cut. Carefully. Cut carefully. Sticky?
I just stick it on the side. Rather, you're not supposed to eat it. You're supposed to fix it.
Is that from your game? Is that from your game?
What game?
This?
Yeah, it's in games. It's in Squid Game.
A Squid Game. Okay. Almost there, Sammy. Good job. Oh. Carefully, careful. The other side now. Careful. So focus.
여기 앉아서 여기
Careful not to break at the.
친구들은 쉬운 거 해.
Careful not to break, Sammy. Oh, you got it! Got it? Not yet? Not yet? Oh, not yet. The other side. Oh, yay! Good job, love.
That's a nice one. Sophia, Sophia, you have to go to the other side now. 여기 아무데나 앉으면 되나요? 나 좋은
거기 앉아.
I'm sorry.
그래서 얘를 다시 할 건데 조금만 기다려도 조금만
Yellow basket 3. 3? Okay. Okay, you can choose present, love. There you go. Yeah, you can choose 3 prizes from the basket. Yeah. Which one? You want that one?
I want this one.
Okay, 2 more. Want that one? Okay, 1 more. All right, yay.
예.
Okay, go that way.
Mommy, look at all that statues.
Yeah.
They're super nice, right?
We'll go there later. It's just right across our hotel.
Oh, Mommy, look, they still get them. Let's get them on. No.
Sammy,
Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
that's not even a cat. That's a bear, right?
Uh-huh. And Meow, he has beer.
Hmm.
It's beer? Yeah, it's
Can it be
beer.
soda?
No, soda.
Soda.
One's just walking and walking. They don't stop walking. Oh my gosh, it's busy at Korea. It's always busy at Korea because everyone's going and coming, going and coming, going and coming. Oh, look at that, Mommy. A picture taken. A
Yeah.
picture. Maybe
It's
later
difficult.
we can do that because
Yeah.
also little kids can do it, I guess. I guess the little kids
That's the
can
star
do
stuff,
it.
right? Don't go. Yeah, this is it. This is 2 long.
Like big.
How about that one?
Oh, this long too. How about something? I like long.
Oh, here we actually put this on. Here, hold this video.
Sorry, what did you see up there?
It's Daddy. Okay, show Daddy. There. It's easier actually. Wow, look at you. You just gotta do the hair next.
Let's do the hair.
Yeah.
Longer than that.
I don't know because they couldn't find the. Oh yeah, that's too short.
I was the first one to be.
Where's the?
GoPro's on.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, one side,
One side.
two sides.
그 1층에 있다가 30분에 가는 거죠? 네네네. 옷만 한 번만 올려주시면 될 것 같아요.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Sophia got her, and Samantha's too. King Daddy.
Not King Daddy. Because the students felt like, wow.
Oh, there's CP too.
You.
Oh no. Yeah.
Mommy, can I draw here too? Mommy, can I draw the fun too?
Yeah, probably.
So busy.
Daddy.
Cider. Cider.
Everyone say spoon. Spoon. Sophia say spoon. Sophia say spoon. Mommy, I want noodles.
They only have spicy, cold noodles too.
I love noodles. I really love cold noodles because it's melting on my tongue.
Alright, well, that's your right. Let's put some.
Where's it going to
Here, let's put some soup and rice. Let's add rice. This is perfect for like a rainy day.
거기 우리 시간 정해지면 7시간 뒤니까
Stay over here.
I'm your photographer. Wait. All right, Sammy's turn.
Sammy time.
When it's raining.
Bit of an ordeal here.
Oh.
Oh, it's nice picture though.
Yeah, the pictures are not gonna come out really nice. Girls, look here. Jesus, right there. I only saw this in dramas. Korean dramas. No.
Mommy,
You left.
you guys left me.
No, you left us.
I hope you don't have a abandoned house. No, you do. No, you do. No, you do. How do you know you? Okay, so what's this?
That was the easiest one to paint. The paint on the hard to reach here.
Look at my cover.
Was it? What were you just saying?
I said I only see this in Korean dramas. Yeah, I'm living the Korean drama life right now. This is having so much fun.
She's making footprints.
All right, King,
Close off.
go walk around.
Huh? My footsteps? Mommy, your footsteps.
Mm-hmm.
And they're getting water. Yeah. Oh. I wonder if he
If
lives
you try and go in there, ninjas will jump out and beat you up.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, so cute. Not appropriate for how you dress like that.
I want more water.
Here.
What in my past lives I really was those
Your
people.
shoes are getting wet.
Sophia, look. Oh. Oh my gosh. They said that they're closing those because people are not respecting.
Oh no, but